What is up everybody, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful C200 Avantgarde line in graphite grey. Now let us take a walk around to show you guys how amazing this car looks from the exterior. Before we head down to the interior, let us just admire the exterior look. Now ignore the base plate, we will get that fixed in the future, but just admire how gorgeous this color looks. Graphite grey, a little bit of black under the shade when the light doesn't hit the car, but when the light touches the car, you can clearly see it is not black. It is a very dark grey. Now let us start off with the front lights. Now these are how gorgeous the front lights actually look. You got your LED high performance words right there. The DRL should be right here once we turn on the lights. Now let's move down to the bumper. We have this decent looking Avantgarde line of a front bumper. You do get some chrome lining at the bottom here at the center until there, right below the number plate. You got this black finish at the side right here, which is also good looking enough. You get some lines right here, sensor is located right there. You have your grille that is looking in this kind of shape with some chrome lining here to the center, at the bottom, and all of these kind of stuff. Very nice indeed. You get your Mercedes-Benz badging right here in black and silver. Very gorgeous looking. Number plate goes right there, which is kind of cool, as always with other cars. Take a look at the front hood. We have some lines happening right on the hood. Now there is one right here, if you notice, in the center, right? So that is also visible depending on the lighting, depending on the color of the car that you're choosing. But nevertheless, it does look very aggressive, even though if it's an Avantgarde line. So it has that appearance to be very sporty, very nice. Now let's jump down to the wheels. We have the Bridgestone tires on these gorgeous wheels that we have right here. I love the two-tone finish, the black on the inside, silver on the outside. You get your Mercedes-Benz center wheel caps. You got your solid disc brakes right at the back right there. Brake calipers right behind there. The tire size is 225/45 R18, guys. Just check it out. How amazing these wheels actually look. Now, take one from here. Admire how it looks. Beautiful. Love it. Simple and clean and easy to maintain. Now you do get your chrome linings across the whole side profile of the car, all the way till the back, goes right to the forward. Gorgeous finish. You do get your mirrors follow the body color, which is a graphite grey. Your turn indicators are located right at the bottom right here. You also get your chrome lining at the door handles to match and complement some parts of the car that are in chrome. Now let's open this up and take a look at the inside of this car. Before we head right to the interior, let's start off with the door. You do get your door handles right here to pull and open, your seat adjustments, your memory seats together with your heated seats for the C200 Avantgarde line. This is where you put your hand to pull to close the door, your window adjustments up and down. You got your speakers located right here and also here. And cup holder or your bottle you can keep right there with some storage compartment right here. So it does look decent enough. You do get your ambient lighting located on the inside part of the door right here. Now we can do that only with the car turned on. And there we go. So as you can see, there's some lighting that just came on. And you also get some lighting on the inner part of the door together with the outside part of the door. So, the handle. So it is kind of cool. Now we start off with the plates, Mercedes-Benz plates. Love it how it's lighted up. You get your black carpet Avantgarde line, and you do get your amazing futuristic looking of a seat. I love the grey stitching around the headrest and all over the back of the car also as well. Now the Avantgarde line has these lines that go across the whole place. The AMG line is only up to a certain length, and it does look very clean and very nice indeed. The seats also still grip you very well when you're driving. And let's hop right in and take a look at the interior of this car. The finishing of the dashboard is very nicely done. Love all of these matte finish, textured like of a design. Very cool. I love the air vents that we see right here. Ambient lighting is located right on the inside part of every air vent that you see. Love the ambient lighting over here as well, where it reflects off of the silver finish. You got your leather dashboard that looks very sporty. Speaker located right up here also as well. You got your frameless rear view mirror, which is kind of cool. Your ambient lighting located all the way down here, goes all the way at the side, comes back down here. Very nice. Open that up. Compartment storage down here. Very nice indeed. Very lovely interior. Now this is me sitting right at the front passenger seat. You do get your black seat belts as well. Nice. Now let's get, oh wait, before that, from the side right here, if you can tell, comfortably sitting. And let's get right down and jump right to the rear. Open up the doors, and what you'll notice is that you have this amazing sun blind for the, how to say, the light not to be coming in. You do have an option to actually put it down if you wish to. Very nice. You do get your door handles located right here. You got your ambient lighting right behind the door handles on the inside. You got your window adjustments right here, handle to hold, to pull, to close the door. Your ambient lighting located right here. You got your cup holder or your bottle you can actually keep right there. Some small compartment storage down here. Speakers located right there. And you have this leather finish of a all over the place. So except for the hard plastic down here, but it does look very, very nice indeed. Leather is everywhere else. Very nice. Now let's jump right in to the rear passenger seat, and this is me sitting comfortably. And take a look at the center. Amazing design. I love that screen, how it's angled towards the driver. Check that out. Door is right there. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the rear passenger seat. Seat belts are also once again in black. You do get your cup holder, I believe, should be located right here. Push that open. One more time again. Pop. There we go. Let's close that back. Push that back up. And let's take a look at the center. We got your air vents right here. You got some small storage right here. And yeah, right underneath is a very clean appearance and look. Nothing much happening down there. But you do get this center partition here, which we can sit right in center. Put your legs at the side and you still get a very comfortable sitting position. This is me sitting right at the center. Headroom is good. Now let's jump right down to this side and open up the doors. And first thing is comfortable. Now let's get right down and check out the rear wheels that are on this car. Now Bridgestone tires are here once again. You do get your two-tone finish of a black on the inside, silver on the outside. You do get your solid disc brakes at the rear. Tire size, of course, once again would be, where are we? 245 40 R18. So 18-inch wheels, which looks very, very gorgeous indeed. Now let's jump right to the rear of the car. Now first thing is, we'll notice you got your C200 badging at the side right here. You do get your MERCEDES-BENZ badging in this chrome-like finish. I love the chrome linings that happen all over the bottom rear bumper. Very decent looking and very clean. You do get one single exhaust on this side right here, as you can see. And your sensors are located all over the car on that side, including at the side right here. So very nice indeed. I love how sharp the lights are, which we will turn on the lights to show it to you shortly. And now let's move on to the petrol cap, located right here on this side. Let's close that down and let's take a look at the driver's seat that we have right here. So the driver's side right here, you got your seat adjustments on this side, moving back and forth. You got your memory seats, you got your heated seats, you got your handle to open up, you got your unlock and your lock right here. The bottom right here is the shade for the back, window lock for the rear windows, window adjustments for the back, window adjustments for the front, side mirror for you to view and check out. Adjustments are also here. Your boot opening is also here. Cup holder, your compartment storage for you to keep some stuff, also happening right there. Amazing door finish. Now let's jump right into the driver's seat to show you guys once again. Before that, plates with the Mercedes-Benz wording lighted up. Your brake pedals and your sport pedals, your brake and accelerator pedals are in this a blacked out finish compared to the other AMG line that has the chromed out finish. Lumbar support down here. Now let's jump right in to the seating of the driver. Now the Avantgarde line comes with a round steering wheel. As you can see, it's not the flat bottom, but it does the job very well. You got your resume button for your cruise control settings right here, limit, distance, speed, cancel, and other settings that you control this particular screen. Let's turn it on to see whether it does have some sort of life coming in. Okay, cool. So these ones control this screen. On this side, it controls that screen, as you can see. So we got volume adjustments, rejecting the call, answering the call, and your voice command together with your favorite button. Now this screen is designed in such a way to angle towards the driver, which is very, very cool. I love this setup, very nice. I also love the new, how to say, the way how the screen looks like with a lot of stuff happening, so that's kind of cool. Down here, if you push it open, you have your 2 cup holders, you got a compartment storage right here, wireless charging down there, I believe, Type-C charging right here. You do get your Type-C charging right here, also with compartment storage down here, so very, very cool indeed. Close that. You got vehicle settings right here, driving mode on this side, you can change it from here to here. We got to start the car to do it. Volume adjustments, turning off the display.
Online voice control for this service.
Yeah.
Please check your Mercedes-BENZ settings.
Got it. Got it. Thank you so much.
Add your service.
Cool. So yeah, very nice indeed. The interior of the driver's seat. This is me sitting comfortably right at the driver's seat. Seat belts are also in black, which is very, very cool. Now let's turn on the DRLs to show you guys how it's looking like from the outside. So right at the front, you'll notice you get your DRLs already turned on from this side right here, how it's sharply angled in such a way to make it look as sporty as possible. The Avantgarde line, of course, you only get these ones lighted up. The AMG line, you get the interior side right here. If you're getting the digital lights, you get to have that. The LED high performance, you will not get that piece lighted up, so that's kind of nice as well. Check out the front, gorgeous. Now let's jump right to the rear and show you guys the rear tail lights. This is how gorgeous it looks. I like how sharp it is at the side right here, how sharp it is here, and then it comes thicker over there. Signal lights should be located down here, brake lights on top, reverse light is over there. Check out the back view, gorgeous. For the graphite grey, very, very nice. Now let's turn on the hazard lights to show you guys how amazing it looks. Of course, you get your signal indicators right in the middle of the side mirrors, which is very nice. Now automatically your DRLs that were on earlier goes off, and you get your signal light that comes on like that. Very, very, very nice, guys. Check out the front, gorgeous, gorgeous finish. Now let's jump right to the rear to show you guys the back. Beautiful. Yep, very, very nice. Now let's turn off the signal indicator, hazard lights I mean, and take a look once again at the front. Beautiful, beautiful finish. I love how this car looks. The graphite grey color is fantastic, man. Now before we end the video, let us take a very clean sweep around the whole car to show you guys the graphite grey exterior with the black interior. Very sleek at the same time. For those of you who do not wish to go for black, you can also consider going for this beautiful, beautiful color. Very sporty and very, very nice. So that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about Mercedes-Benz cars, do head down to Cycle and Carriage PJ, where you will be able to locate this car and many more other amazing cars scattered everywhere, especially even down there. So that is it, guys, for today. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.